My name is Neti Puspitasari, and my student call me Mem Neti. I'm an English teacher of SMP Negeri Model Terpadu. Are you happy now? Yes, of course. And are you ready to study English now? Oh, very great. I hope you are very happy. Well, let's begin now in chapter 1. Good morning. How are you? What is the meaning of good morning? Selamat pagi. How are you? Apa kabar? We talk anymore about chapter 1, okay? In chapter 1, you need to know the objective of learning is I hope my student can express how to greet or greetings. And then the second is to take leave or taking leave. The third, to say thank you. And fourth, to say sorry. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran kita di chapter 1 ini, anak-anak bisa mengungkapkan bagaimana menyapa salam pertemuan, bagaimana menyapa salam perpisahan, bagaimana mengatakan terima kasih, serta bagaimana mengatakan permintaan maaf sebagai suatu bentuk penyesalan atas mungkin kesalahan kita atau sesuatu yang tidak kita sengaja. Okay, we will learn how to say greetings. Apa tadi greetings? Greetings artinya salam pertemuan. Look at the pictures. I will try to practice the dialogue. And I will say the words loudly, clearly, and correctly. Give attention. Okay? Good morning, Dad. Good morning. How are you? Nah, ini pembicaraan antara ayah dan anaknya. Good morning, Siti. How are you? Good morning, Mom. I'm fine. Thanks. Hi, Benny. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. How about you? I'm fine too. Thank you. Good morning, Lina. Good morning, Benny. How are you? Good morning, Lina. How are you? Good morning, Mrs. Rita. I'm fine. Thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sure. Thank you. Hi, guys. How are you? Hi. We are fine. Thanks. Well, my student, this questioning will help you when you ask to your teacher, maybe there is some words that you cannot understand. Ini adalah pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang bisa kalian gunakan ketika kalian sulit menemukan arti dari suatu kata dalam bahasa Inggris ke bahasa Indonesia. Begitu juga mungkin kamu akan kesulitan untuk bagaimana melafalkan kata-kata itu atau mengatakan kata-kata itu, termasuk bagaimana mengeja, ya. For example, number 1, what is in English? Nah, titik-titik ini kamu isi dengan kata yang kamu tidak mengerti dan kamu tanyakan pada gurumu atau pada temanmu. What is in Indonesia? I mean in Indonesian. What is the meaning of in Indonesian? How do we say the word? How do you spell the word? How do you pronounce the word? Jadi kalau sekali lagi kamu ingin mencari tahu artinya dalam bahasa Inggris, maka katakan what is the meaning of titik-titik in English. Nah, gitu ya. Kalau kamu ingin tahu bagaimana mengeja kata-kata ini, maka katakan how do you spell the word? Kalau kamu ingin melafalkan, how do you pronounce the word? Atau how do we say the word? Sambil menunjukkan kata yang kamu maksudkan. Based on the dialect. So, we can mention the greetings. Ya, berdasarkan dialog-dialog tadi, maka kita bisa menyebutkan salam-salam pertemuan yang bisa kita gunakan. That is hello, hi. Nah, ini contohnya. What about the respond? Bagaimana responnya? Kalau seseorang menyapa atau mengucapkan salam pertemuan, maka katakan dengan jawaban yang sama. Hello. Maka jawabannya hello. Kalau hi, hi. Good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good evening, good evening. Ini kalau kita mengucapkan salam pertemuan. Bagaimana menanyakan kabar? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How's life? Fine, thank you. Nah, itu kalau menanyakan kabar. Ya, how are you? Apa kabar? Atau bagaimana kabarmu? Maka kita menjawab, I'm fine, thank you. Atau how's life? Sama, fine, thank you. Begitu senangnya kita bertemu pada seseorang, akan lebih bagus jika kamu tambahkan nice to meet you. Maka jawabannya nice to meet you. Good to see you again. Good to see you again. Nah, itu cara mengungkapkan salam pertemuan. My students, this vocabulary will help you to find the meaning of the words. Kosakata ini akan membantu kamu untuk menemukan arti dari kata-kata yang mungkin kamu butuhkan. Morning artinya pagi. Good morning artinya selamat pagi. Good afternoon artinya selamat sore. Kalau afternoon artinya sore. Evening artinya petang atau malam, tapi dengan satu catatan kita masih melakukan aktivitas. Jadi seperti menonton TV, seperti makan malam, belajar di waktu petang, maka kita menggunakan good evening, selamat petang atau selamat malam. How artinya bagaimana? How are you? Atau how's life? Bagaimana kabarmu? Nice artinya sama dengan good, yaitu baik. Meet, bertemu. See, melihat. Again, lagi. Nice to meet you. Senang bertemu kamu. Good to see you. Senang melihatmu. Now, we will learn, sekarang kita akan belajar what's the difference between morning, afternoon, or evening. Say morning, afternoon, or evening. Say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Okay? Breakfast, sarapan. Berarti kita mengatakannya bagaimana? Morning. Kalau menyapa, good morning. Go to school at 7 in the morning, berarti good morning. Have dinner, makan malam mungkin tepat pukul 7 atau 8, berarti kita mengatakannya good evening. Okay. Take a bath, mandi. Mandi in the morning and in the afternoon. Berarti kalau pagi hari, good morning. Di waktu sore hari, good afternoon. jogging? Of course, in the morning. Oh, maybe in the afternoon. We can do jogging, okay. Playing card. In the morning, good morning. Watching TV? Maybe in the afternoon, good afternoon or good evening. Studying. Good evening, okay. Well, my students, listen to me carefully. I'll try to read the dialogue. Good afternoon, Dad. Good afternoon, colleagues. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How are you? Fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. Daddy itu sama dengan dad, artinya ayah. Kalau ibu berarti mom atau mommy. Jadi intinya, you say good morning, kamu mengatakan good morning, itu jika kita berada dalam rentang waktu pukul 24.01 sampai pukul 12 siang. And you say good afternoon. Selanjutnya, mulai dari pukul 12.01 di siang hari sampai sore hingga pukul 18.00. And you say good evening, mulai pukul 18.01 hingga pukul 21. And you say good night, itu jika kalian berada di rentang waktu antara pukul 21.00 ke atas hingga pukul 24.00. Say artinya berkata. Kalau IM itu intermediate, artinya dini hari hingga pagi. Kalau PM itu post medium, ya, batasannya sore hingga malam. At artinya sampai, noon artinya siang. Once more. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Danny. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? I'm feeling well, thank you. My students, begitu banyak contoh dialog yang sudah kita berikan, ya. And I'm sure you can use and practice the dialogue. Do you like singing? Okay, I would like to ask you to sing a song. And the title of the song is Good Morning. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, dear my friend. Good morning to you. Good night to you. Good night to you. Good night, dear my friend. Good night to you. And once more, how are you? Good morning, my friend, how are you? I'm fine. Good morning, my friend, how are you? I'm fine. Good morning, my friend, good morning, my friend. Good morning, my friend, how are you? I'm fine. Okay. I hope you like singing these songs. Well, my students, I think today it's enough, and I hope you and me can meet in the next meetings with other materials. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. See you.